Welcome to Stock Markets with KR. If this is your first time here, then I talk about the stock markets and personal finance. This time, I'm talking about them in a really shitty video quality because I had some tech glitch, so I had to resort to my laptop's webcam, and that's really bad. So that's fine. I'll just minimize it a little bit if I can somehow find the option. And okay. There it is. Right. So anyway, the thing that I wanted to talk about today is the Bector Foods IPO. And right. So I'll just minimize my face so it's nice and small, so the terrible video quality does not obstruct you further. But it's just enough to obstruct you a little bit. Anyway, so these are a few steps that you can use, by the way. I just wanted to have these here so while I talk and while I rant about the IPO, mini rant, you can at least look at how you can invest in it if you want to. So my logic behind investing in this IPO is very simple. I had some funds that were there from my Diwali gifts that I received, and some of them were remaining. So I was like, hey, why not just invest in an IPO, because it was around 15k. And that's just enough to get one lot of Bector Foods, and I was like, let's go ahead. So the reason why I thought I'd make this video very specifically is because for some reason a lot of people don't think of investing their gift money like this, because they feel that, hey, it's my gift, I want to spend it. But the thing is, let's say if you wanted to buy AirPods with that 15k, now you can buy AirPods Pro. Like, if your listing goes well, you can buy something better. And the reason why I talk about it is because after I put in my bid for allotment, I saw that grey market premiums around 76%, which is a very healthy amount. Now, if I do get allotted, then hopefully I'll get some decent returns, and that should be good. Now, I haven't really looked at the financials that much, but I do have an idea of what all is going on, which means that generally, in the past also, I have not really looked at financials. I've had reasonable amount of success with IPOs where, they do go up at least a little bit if I do get allotted in the first place. But the reason why I wanted to talk about it here is because again, all it takes is just a bunch of gifts or a bunch of savings that you have, and I mean 15k is really not that bad. And the good thing of IPOs and such is that they are very easy to apply. As you can see, these sort of things, these sort of bullet points that you see here are going to be really easy to just do on your own. And the potential rewards, as I said, are great. For instance, Burger King IPO, one would have bought at 60, now it's almost 200. So that should give you an idea of what is possible. And of course, it's not indicative of every IPO's performance, but it just shows you what's possible. And another thing is that, let's say your IPO lists at a discount where you don't get quite as much. Your 15k is still going to be worth at least 10k. That's not bad, right? That's not bad by any stretch of imagination. If you're getting a lot, and you're still on listing, if you're not getting enough, that's fine. For instance, angel broking listing was not that good. It went down at a discount, but then it recovered in a week or so. So clearly it's not destined for failure. That's not the case, even if it does not list at a very high premium. It's basically just money that would have normally just sat in your wardrobe, or you would have bought something weird with it. You can invest it, you can withdraw it on the first day if you like, and you can buy something even weirder with that amount. So I just wanted to make this quick little video. I'd actually recorded a longer one, but due to tech glitches I have to delete that one, unfortunately. There goes my time. That's fine. I hope you found this helpful and informative. That's it for this one. See you in the next. Happy trading, happy investing, happy IPOing.